Hello everyone. Welcome to Film Investigation. I am your film investigator Jocelyn Jane Gigasilios, and today I will be talking about The Unfriended, Dark Web, written and directed by Stephen Soska. The characters are Matthias, Amaya, Nari, Serena, Damon, AJ, Dex, Sharon the Four, Kelly, Erica June, Sharon's, and Norrisy. This film is about a guy named Matthias na nakadiscover ng laptop that contains disturbing videos of people. And while searching through the laptop, may mga nagme-message sa kanya na ibalik yung laptop. But the truth is, sinadyang iwan yung laptop sa workplace niya para makuha niya to and make them look kung sila ay nasa game since there are people na nagkokontrol ng laptop. There are ICT trends na makikita sa film. At ito ay ang mga video chatting with friends, using social media and messaging or texting. These ICT trends help us improve efficiency through modern tools and understand the value of data and making informed decisions. These trends also highlight the needs for digital safety, ethical online behaviors, and lifelong learning as technology continues to evolve. Overall, ICT makes us stay globally aware and use technology responsibly to improve everyday life. There are also internet threats and these are spyware kung saan makikitang someone is controlling the laptop. Hacking, identity stealing, spam, phishing, and smishing. Internet trends generally aim to exploit vulnerabilities in users and systems to steal information or gain unauthorized access. Internet threats are designed to take advantage of unprotected users and systems. We can gain lessons from this film, and these are: do not take anything that doesn't belong to you. Maging maingat sa pag-share ng information online kasi pwede itong gamitin laban sa iyo. Huwag magpapadala sa curiosity, be honest, and lastly, learn how to properly use technology. Use technology and the internet responsibly by prioritizing safety, thinking critically, maintaining privacy. We came seeking answers, but some doors are never meant to be opened. In the shadows, let your grace, watching, patient, and unwilling to let go. And now, as I leave, remember, think before click.